All right, we hanging out in Cape Town on a beautiful weekend. You can hear the wind going. It's about, what time is it, son? It's about 11:15 at night.
Sunday.
And you're feeling like crazy inspired, right?
Totally, like, yeah.
How you feeling?
I feel a bit emotional somehow.
Yeah.
Like, when you're reflecting on certain things and life in general.
Yeah.
And I'm having one of those moments.
We've been listening to Black Ice. Black Ice keeps it all the way real. And if I know you well, I just sort of met you this weekend, but if I know you well, based on our conversation, you want to inspire other people like Black Ice, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to upload a YouTube page, because YouTube, what's your site?
Asanda Marku, yeah.
Yeah, youtube.com /
/
yes,
Yeah.
Asanda. Okay.
I'm new to this, so yeah.
All right,
you have
cool.
to get me.
All right. So, all right. So your page. Tell us about what you want to see on your page. You want to inspire people to do what?
I want people to inspire to, I don't know, like believe again. Like
Yeah.
to value themselves, especially. I don't know. I'm really hoping that it will reach to kids, especially, well, not kids, because they love to be called tweens nowadays.
Okay.
But that laying that foundation with them,
Yeah.
because especially with having known that you have lived and you have been there, and to the extent that you just want to inspire those tweens not to repeat those same mistakes.
Yeah.
And it's tough. I mean, the world is getting tougher each day, and I think for me it's just about inspiring them and telling them like real, like discussing real topics, and not being ashamed of what you have been through, but knowing that you can share it and you won't be judged. You won't be, because dude, like Oprah says it. I mean, everyone says it, that one story, like just by sharing your story, will make such a difference in your life, because you are not alone. Like, how it's so cliche.
Wow.
But yeah, I just believe.
So you've overcome a lot of stuff at an early age, it sounds like. And how did you do it? How did you overcome? How did you remain strong when things got really tough?
Believing.
Really?
Faith.
Having faith.
Wow. Praying,
having faith. So you want people to pray as a kid?
Not praying, but don't, like, nothing's impossible. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I grew up like, the mouth is such a powerful weapon, and you need to, until I found out about The Secret, it all made sense. Like, the law of attraction, and how just by saying things and visualizing what you want to be and what you're about, as long as it's tough. I mean, obviously, you go off track, but don't forget your dreams. Don't think, oh, you know what, I'm in a different situation right now and it seems like I'll never overcome, I'll never get there. And once you say that, you don't understand what impact you're sending, like what you're sending out into the universe. So I've just stuck true to what I believe in and stuck true to what I'm about and where you want to be in life. So that's basically it. And I completely believed, like, you need to believe in who you are. You need to believe in what you're about, and don't conform to anyone's like expectations of what they think you're about, because that's where you lose track, because you think, this person probably knows better because of what they think they have overcome. But we're all individuals. We came into this world differently.
Wow,
you know what I'm saying?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So we can expect you to upload new videos like once a week, once every other week. How often should we look forward to new videos?
I think once a week.
Once a week.
You're
going to come on and give us an inspiring message. Maybe you're going to interview other students and kids
that
or
have been,
tweens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do the same thing. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm very, very excited.
Wow. We're looking forward to checking you out on www.youtube.com / Asanda
Marku.
All right. Cool. Yeah. We're going to holler at you later. Peace.
Cool. Peace.